Hi, I'm Dean Flint, and I'm the CEO of In-Place Machining Company. In-Place has been in business for more than 40 years. We are a provider of highly engineered, technical, high-acuity field services. Those services include field machining, metrology, specialty welding, and diamond wire sawing, just to name a few. We provide those services across a broad array of industries. We're a growth-oriented business. Looking for opportunities to grow our business includes finding great companies to partner up with. As a CEO of In-Place Machining Company, I'm really happy to announce our new partnership with Exact Metrology, a division of In-Place Machining Company.
Hi, my name is Dean Solberg, Vice President of Sales and Services for Exact Metrology, now a division of In-Place Machining. What's particularly exciting about Exact Metrology is we've evolved from just using portable arms and laser scanners to now large-scale metrology capabilities, building scanning, CT scanning, just about everything that you can imagine.
I'm personally very excited about the relationship that we're going to have with In-Place Machining. They offer us the growth that we need to be able to add additional people and equipment to better serve our customers.
It's an exciting time for Exact Metrology, and it's an exciting time for In-Place Machining as well.